Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Cat Life. Welcome to the channel. Most importantly,
welcome to Sheraton Universal Hotel.
shout out to Sheraton Universal Hotel for hosting us for the next couple of days so we can check out Universal Studios Hollywood, which is adjacent. It's actually right behind this garage right here. It's literally walking distance. Now, they do offer a complimentary shuttle that comes every 15 minutes, so getting to the park is very easy. And then you can bypass the parking just like that. Now, check out our other videos because we did make a video for Universal Studios Hollywood. But in this video, we're going to be showing you this beautiful hotel that's right behind me, the Sheraton Universal Hotel. So without further ado, let's go ahead and walk inside and show you guys what this place has to offer. So the parking garage is adjacent to the hotel, walking distance, so you can park your car there. Plenty of parking spots. As you can tell, it's a huge parking structure. So parking isn't an issue. Now you got two parts to this hotel. You got the one on the side here left, there's a conference room and other things that we're going to show you. And then the hotel itself, that's where we're staying on the 18th floor. So this is it. This is the king room right here. I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour of this. I gotta say, it's very open. I love the layout here. Very homely and cozy looking. Got the king bed overlooking this huge, large window. Now there's construction going on. Aside from that, you got a great view of Universal Studios right here. You can actually see the Jurassic World ride over there. A few more. Oh, you see the Minion hanging out in the corner right there. Overall, I gotta say the room looks very nice. I do like the cozy feel to it. You got the large TV that is right in front of the king bed. And this looks cozy. This looks comfy. Oh yeah, this is nice and soft. So it's gonna make for a great night's sleep. You got a desktop clock on the side right here with some USB ports. And you got some additional USB ports right there as well. So charge your phone, your Apple Watch, whatever else you have, which is great because I feel like a lot of hotels lack extra charger ports by the bedside. So that's nice. You can go ahead and plug all your belongings, whatever you have, right over here. Some drawers, empty drawers. You can go ahead and put your stuff in here. Oh yeah, just some cabinetry right there. I like the lights hanging over by the bedside. And then you got a reading light on this side as well, so you won't disturb your partner. You can go turn that on. So yeah, nice little spotlight so you can go ahead and read in the dark. Get a little bit more outlet ports on the bedside. That's nice. Hidden out of the way. You got your lamp. More electrical outlets. I can't say this enough. This helps so much when you're traveling and you can charge up all your devices, especially next to the bed. More drawer space right here. And then more cabinetry right there so you can go ahead and put your stuff. Nice little desk to get your work done with a table lamp. In-room dining, so you can go ahead and use that QR code, order room service if needed, or call. On this side, you got this sofa here. Go ahead and relax. A little stool for your luggage. Go ahead and place it on there. And then you got this floor lamp that you can press the button right here. Easily access the light. You got your phone right here. A little notepad with a pen. VIP experience for Universal Hollywood and a guide to Los Angeles. So if you're visiting, this is great. Gives you a little heads up so you don't have to use your phone to research, find things to do here in LA. Now on this side, you got a lot more going on. You got some decor just hanging out there. You don't see a lot of this in many hotels, so that's kind of nice. So it's just kind of sitting there for display purposes only. You got complimentary water with an ice bucket, some cups, and then a coffee maker right here, Starbucks. We got this fridge right here. Keep your items cool. Some coffee maker stuff here, tea, whatever you need. All that is available. Some empty drawers, more drawers, and more. And then you got your closet right here. Let's check this out. With the iron and the ironing board. So a bunch of hangers for you, more space to put your clothing, and then some drawers on the bottom as well. So yeah, and you got your safe here. So lock up your belongings, lock it up with key code, and that is that. Exit plan, always good to know just in case of emergency. And then you got this huge long mirror right here. I actually like that right when you enter. It makes the room look bigger too, but that's the door. So when you close the door, that's your actual mirror that you're closing. So that's the bathroom door right here. Let's check out the bathroom. Oh yes, this is nice. So let's zoom out here a little bit to give you guys a better idea of what we got going on. Very well lit, large mirror, nice display. Very clean. I like that whole Hollywood look right there so you know where you are. And then you got an extra light right here lighting up the shower with that large shower head Those are the best. Now you also got this little glass window here. That's from the bathroom, so it lights up. So if you needed a night light or something to light up at night so the room is not completely dark, light your bathroom up. You got light coming through, and then your little ones won't be scared in the room. So that'll be nice in the evening hours. But yeah, overall, I gotta say this room is very impressive. Like it a lot. The location couldn't be more perfect. We're gonna be heading to Universal Studios Hollywood tomorrow, so this location couldn't have gotten any better. Take comfort to the next level. Become a Sheraton Club member and enjoy the extra space of the Club Lounge. Included is 24-hour access to a quiet, lavish space that includes complimentary breakfast, all-day snacks and beverages, and also dinner. All with personalized service. We enjoyed spending a few hours outside of our room at the lounge every day. Aside from that, the hotel offers a handful of amenities, a gym with a variety of equipment for your own use, computers with a printer, an attached gift shop, an outdoor pool with plenty of areas to relax, multiple areas to eat and drink, and its very own grand ballroom. Well, there you folks have it, the Sheraton Universal Hotel in Hollywood, California. Now, if you guys have any questions about this hotel or any other properties that they own, be sure to put it in the comments below. Other than that, thanks for watching, guys.
Bye-bye.